Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Bosch washing machine finishes a cycle but leaves the clothes soaking wet or the drum isn't spinning as expected, you're probably dealing with a spin related issue. This problem can occur because of an unbalanced load, drainage restrictions, cycle settings, or temporary control glitches within the Bosch washing machine. Since several factors can prevent the machine from reaching full spin speed, it's helpful to go through a few basic checks before considering repairs. In this video, I'll walk you through several troubleshooting steps that may help restore proper spinning performance to your Bosch washing machine. Try these. Step 1. Rearrange the laundry inside the Bosch washing machine to eliminate an uneven load. Step 2. Inspect the drain system connected to the Bosch washing machine for possible blockages. Step 3. Verify that the selected program on the Bosch washing machine includes a spin cycle. Step 4. Check whether the Bosch washing machine is positioned evenly on the floor. Step 5. Restart the Bosch washing machine to refresh the control system. Step 6. Run a test cycle on the Bosch washing machine and confirm that spinning has improved.